So here now, got in the bush, and we got this. A chamin. Find this chamin here, well. We spot this one in this riverbed. Already finding thing. Vlog just start. It's common, very common. Beauty of the road, squirrel snake, you know. Those things, those names. Got it. You have a tick on him.
Serious?
Ow. Look at that. I don't gotta get those off. I don't think I reach it. Right. Just found this leaf anole running across the trail. Nice one too. Look at them patterns. I find this ant mound very interesting. They're a good height. This is one hole in the center. Look at this flower. I can't remember what tree is this. Don't know if it's a native tree. Oh look, it got very dark here. We are very high up. Don't know if I can make it out. There's mountains, so we walk through some trails there. Oh, I can see a village down in the distance out there. Can't really pick it up on the camera. But there's mountains going, so yes. We find this old trail here. Just chilling out. We can walk up, so we're on top of a mountain. Some more plants and insects than anything else, but those we've seen on other vlogs before. Let me take a lie down here, take some water, then we go. Look at this, man. In the vine, you know? Vine shape. You had a designer chair like this, you know?
Yeah, it's very modern. Very
Modern.
contemporary furniture.
Ooh, this is stinking toe. Very young stinking toe. Has a powdery inside. Look, some stinking toe. It has a inside powdery and sweet, but this one bad. This one green. This one, see this? Stinking toe. This one not good. But stinking toe is a nice fruit. Or carob. Look at this view. While all are watching my YouTube channel, well, my YouTube videos, I watch it all day. Up in the morning. I want to feel someone like I identify that peak over there. That one. We are so high up on this mountain here. Up. Ooh, a mat. Just saw a mat. Oh, well, you don't see this every day. Trinidad flag in the bush. Look at this. That big green mass is the swamp, Carney Swamp. From that in there, go all the way back, so in the mountains of the north, the northern men and woman. And there's more to go. No, I just see this Valentine tarantula, the dwarf here, or dwarf tarantula, or tiger tarantula. It's the smallest tarantula. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's the smallest tarantula in the Western Hemisphere. Yeah, it's native to this country. Look at that. They call them Valentine spider because if you look on the abdomen, see that? It looks like a heart. The shape of a heart. And have the stripes on the side, which is the reason why they get the name tiger tarantula. Very small. That's why they got the name dwarf tarantula. Amazing. Now this, as I said before, it's a very small tarantula. This is actually the maximum size. And just as I said before, well, I mentioned a bit of it, they are native to Trinidad, Tobago, and parts of Venezuela. Not much is known about them. More studies have to be done. Going down a steep hill. Don't go shaking, boy. Oh yeah, this hill steep. I don't wanna fall and bust me brass bone. After we got down that hill, we just relaxed by the foot of the mountain, eating some fruits and waiting for the end of the day. It was awesome. This trip didn't really have much creepy crawlies or critters to see, but more plants and the view. The view was nice. We did see some creatures like squirrels and other birds. I was a bit too fast to put in the whole vlog, but this was basically the entire trip. It wasn't all that exciting, but I enjoyed it. So, as you all know, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, blessings and bless out.